So we are back with another episode of Question and Answers. This time during a career counseling session for class 11 and 12 in one of the schools, we came across certain uncertainties, doubts and fears. Let's take 5 questions from the excerpts and try addressing them. You're welcome to leave comments to answer, clarify or add something that you want. The most common question most of the students had was, what if I don't know what I want to do?
We as career counselors know that we have to encourage and validate the students' feelings, but at the same time, it becomes a job to guide them to explore and help them identify their strengths and interests. The biggest question is how. So the step 1 is to understand whether you're looking for a job or for a long-term commitment, that is career. There's a significant difference between the two, and understanding it will give you the meaning of what you are looking ahead.
Second step is exploring the important elements that you should know in order to find out what lies ahead of you or what do you want. So in this, the first thing that we're going to talk about is interest and passion. These are the things that you enjoy doing and are excited about, like drawing, creating art, dancing, solving puzzles, playing games. When you work in an area that aligns with your interests, it often feels more fulfilling and enjoyable.
Second is skills and strengths. These are the things you are naturally good at or have learned to do well over the period of time. Identify both academic and non-academic skills. This could be like a good orator, you're good at speaking, you're good at writing, evaluating arguments, problem solving, logical reasoning, understanding principles of biology or any other physics, chemistry, public speaking, interpersonal communication, active listening, artistic abilities, innovative thinking, and a lot more. Knowing your skills helps you find a job or a career where you can excel.
Third is values and goals. Values are the things that are important to you in life and work, and goals are what you aim to achieve. This is where your career comes into place. Aligning your job with your values and goals can lead to greater job satisfaction. When you align your values within a career, you are motivated and more engaged and find your job meaningful and satisfying.
Fourth is work environment preferences and lifestyle considerations. Things like social environment, formal, informal culture, work hours, flexibility, remote work, customer satisfaction, client servicing, independent work. All these things play an important role in identifying career direction. It helps for a career longevity, managing stress levels, productivity, and job satisfaction. Therefore, it is important to research career options, understand the market trends, identify preferences, evaluate long-term fit, network with the people who are already in that environment.
Fifth comes the educational requirement. Once you've gone through all the other elements, then you are a little sure as to what career would you like to pick. Based upon that, choose the educational path, including vocational training, university, degrees, apprenticeship, and certifications. Different careers require different levels and types of education and training. Knowing these requirements helps you plan your education path. Apart from this, there are various tools like Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, Holland Code, or other interest inventories for interest assessment and personality test. But the better ways are discovering yourself, evaluating the career options by researching, watching career-related videos, attending career workshops where you can meet professionals from different industries, listening and participating in webinars, arranging informational interview with professionals in various fields, getting opportunities to spend a day or few hours with someone working in the same field so that you get an idea of what you will be getting into. Participate in clubs, sports, volunteer work or other activities to develop soft skills, discover interests. So this was all about from our side. Let us know in the comments below what you think can be added more into this.